Friends, now we solve remaining equation of exercise 3.3. Question number 10. Remember this here. Show that sin n plus 1 x into sin n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 into x cos n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x. Show that. Friends, in the left hand side LHS given sin n plus 1 x sin n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x cos n plus 2 x. In this question, left side you found the one common terms n plus 1x n plus 1x. Second common terms n plus 2x n plus 2x. This is one type of one pattern. If we say this n plus 1 is equal to alpha and n plus 2x is equal to beta, this n plus 1 into x is equal to say alpha and n plus 2 into x say beta, then this is alpha, this is beta. So here we change into form of cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, and this is, you know, that formula cos alpha plus minus beta, that is n plus 1 x minus n plus 2 x cos alpha minus beta. We know that cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta is equal to cos alpha minus beta, you know. Yeah, so is equal to x take common, so we get cos n plus 1 minus n minus 2 into x. Now simplify this. Cos minus n plus n cancel, minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, into x, that is minus x, and we know that cos minus x is a cos x, so is equal to right hand side. Clear? Think how to solve this type of question. Now question number 11. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to, prove that, minus root 2 sin x. Here in the left hand side take LHS cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Apply c minus c, you know that c minus c is equal to minus 2ss, so minus 2 sin, take addition of these two, divide by 2, 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2 into sin, subtraction of these two, 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4, subtract this, so minus, and this become plus x by 2. Clear this? Now simplify this. Minus 2 into sin, here minus x plus x cancel, 3 pi by 4 2 time upon 2 becomes 3 pi by 4, you know. Clear? Into sin, here both cancel, x plus x become 2x by 2, that is a x, so is equal to minus 2. Now 3 pi by 4 change into reducing form, so minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4, that is pi minus pi by 4 into sine x. Clear? So minus sine pi minus pi by 4, sine remains same, sine pi by 4, and pi minus, that is in a second quarter. In second quarter sine is a positive, so apply same sign into sine x. So is equal to sine pi by 4 is equal to value 1 upon root 2 into sine x. So is equal to 2 upon root 2, that is a root 2 sine x. Clear? So is equal to, this becomes a right hand side, RHS. Okay. Now question number 12. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin 4 x raised to 2 is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Here we know that formula, sin square alpha minus sin square beta is equal to sin alpha plus beta into sin alpha minus beta, Clear? Apply same for these terms. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 6x plus 4x sin 6x minus 4x. So is equal to sin 6x plus 4x, that is a 10x, into sin, this become 2x. So this is a right hand side. Clear? Hence proof. Question number 13, same. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. For this first year we change this cos square into sin form. So cos square 2x is equal to 1 minus sin square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to 1 minus sin square 6x, minus take inside, so minus 1 plus sin square 6x. Clear? So is equal to minus 1 plus 1 cancel, sin square 6x minus sin square 2x. Apply formula. Sin, take addition of these two, 6x plus 2x into sin, subtraction 6x minus 2x. So is equal to become sin 8x into sin 4x. Clear this? So sin 4x into sin 8x. Now question number 14. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Prove this. Take left hand side, sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. 2 sin 4x change into addition form, and the one terms give to first term and the second term give to second terms. Here we get a sin 4x plus sin 2x, clear, plus same sin 6x plus 1 sin give to second terms, sin 6x plus sin 4x. Now apply here s plus s. S plus s is equal to 2sc. So 2 sin, take addition of these two, divide by 2. 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos, subtraction by 2. 4x minus 2x by 2 plus, here s plus s is equal to 2sc. So 2 sin, take addition of these two, divide by 2. So 6x plus 4x by 2 into cos, subtraction of these two, 6x minus 4x by 2. Clear? So is equal to becomes 2 sin, here simplification, 6x by 2 becomes 3x cos 2x by 2, that is x, plus 2 sin 10x by 2, that is a 5x, cos here 2x by 2, that is a x. Now 2 cos x take common, so in a remaining term bracket, remaining terms are sin, first write this 5x plus sin 3x, clear? So is equal to, now apply here s plus s second time, so 2 sin, take addition of these two, 5x plus 3x, 8x upon 2 into cos, subtraction of these two, 2x upon 2. So is equal to, here 2 into 2 become 4 cos x into sin, this become 4x into cos x. Cos into cos become cos square x. So 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Hence proof. Clear? Now next question, number 15. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to, prove that cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Here we apply two methods, and applying both the method we solve this question. First method, take a left hand side LHS cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. So is equal to, cot change into sin and cos form. So cos 4x upon a sin 4x into s plus s, here formula apply, 2sc, s plus s is equal to 2sc. So 2 sin, take addition of these two, 5x plus 3x, 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. Clear? So is equal to, here cos 4x upon sin 4x into 2 sin, here 8x by 2 become 4x into cos 2x by 2, that is a x. Cos 4x from both cancel, we get 2 cos 4x into cos x. Clear? Take this result number 1. Similarly, right hand side RHS is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So is equal to, cot is equal to cos upon sin, cos x upon sin x. Here s minus s is equal to 2cs. So 2 cos, take addition of these two, 5x plus 3x, 8x upon 2 into sin, subtraction of these two, 5x minus 3x, that is 2x upon 2. Clear? So is equal to cos x upon sin x into, here 8x upon 2 becomes a 4x and 2x upon 2 become x, that is a sin x. Sin cancel, we get 2 cos x cos 4x. Take this result number 2. Now compare result 1 and 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Clear? This is the first method. Clear? Now in a second method, get up to these terms, LHS is equal to, now to here right side we want to get cot x. So here to get a cot x, divide by sin and multiply by sin. So we get here cos x upon sin x into 2 cos 4x into here divide by sin, so multiply by sin. Clear this? In these terms divide by sin and multiply by sin. Now apply 2cs. 2cs is equal to, we know that formula. Here cos upon sin become cot, and 2cs is equal to s minus s. So sin, first take addition 4x plus x minus sin, in second take subtraction 4x minus x. Clear this? So is equal to cot x into sin, this become 5x minus this becomes sin 3x. Clear? So is equal to, this is a right hand side, RHS, hence true. So applying any method, we solve this question number 15. Clear? Now question number 16. Prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. Prove this. First take a left hand side and get a right hand side. Here c minus c, apply formula. C minus c is equal to minus 2ss, we know that. So minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x upon 2 into sin subtraction 9x minus 5x upon 2. Clear? Upon s minus s is equal to 2cs. So 2 cos, addition of these two, 17x plus 3x upon 2 into sin subtraction 17x minus 3x upon 2. So is equal to 2 from both cancel, minus sin 9 plus 4 14, sorry 9 plus 5 14 upon 2, this becomes 7x into sin 9x minus 5x become 4x upon 2 becomes a 2x upon here cos 17 plus 3 20 by 2, that is a 10x into 17 minus 3 become 14x upon 2 becomes a 7x. Clear? So is equal to sin 7x from both cancel, sin 2x upon cos 10x. Clear? Is a right hand side, hence proof. Similarly in question number 17, given that left side sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x. Apply s plus s in numerator, c plus in denominator. After simplification, you get right hand side tan 4x. Same in equation number 18. Sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y is equal to, prove that tan x minus y upon 2. S minus s here apply. C plus c apply. Simplify this, get answer. Similarly in equation number 19, same. Equation number 20. Prove that sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. here left hand side LHS is equal to sin x minus sin 3x upon a sin square x minus a cos square x is equal to, here in numerator we apply s minus s. S minus s is equal to 2 cs, 2 cos, in first take addition of these two, divide by 2. So x plus 3x upon 2 into sin, subtraction of these two by 2. So x minus 3x upon 2, clear? Upon, in sin square x minus cos square x. Remember this here, cos x plus y into cos x minus y is equal to, we know that formula, cos square x minus sin square y, clear? Or if given minus outside, then sin square x minus cos square y is equal to cos x plus y, cos x minus y. Same apply for this here. Minus take outside and change into this form. So minus sin square, cos square x minus sin square x, and apply this formula. Cos square x minus sin square x is equal to, here write the first two cos, simplify this, 3x plus x, 4x upon 2 becomes 2x, into here becomes a sin minus 2x upon 2, that is minus x, upon minus, apply this formula, cos square x minus sin square y is equal to cos x plus y, cos x minus y. So this become cos, or secondly this is a formula of cos 2x, so this become cos 2x, clear? You know cos 2x is equal to formula, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, you know this formula, clear? So thinking any formula, we get these terms. Also applying this formula we get same, here cos x plus x 2x minus into cos x minus x become cos 0, and cos 0 is equal to 1, so becomes cos 2x, clear? Here cos 2x from both cancel, sin minus x is equal to minus sin x, we know that, so is equal to, we get here minus sin x upon minus 1, so is equal to sin x, and 2 also given, clear? Hence proof. Now question number 21, prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. Prove this is equal to cot 3x, clear? Here in this left hand side, first we arrange the terms. First we write the terms with even number and apply formula, cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x, write these terms last. Similarly for this sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x, clear? So is equal to, for first two terms apply c plus c, so 2cc, so 2 cos, first take addition of these two, divide by 2, 4x plus 2x, 6x plus 2, that is 3x, into cos, subtraction of these two by 2, so 4x minus 2x become 2x upon 2, that is x, plus cos 3x upon same here 2sc, so 2 cos, take addition of these two, divide by 2, that will become 3x, into cos, subtraction of these 2 by 2 becomes x plus sine 3x. Clear? So is equal to, now cos 3x take common from a numerator, we get a 2 cos x plus 1 upon here sine 3x take common, so 2 cos x plus 1. These two terms from both cancel and cos upon sine become a cot. So cot a 3x. Hence proof. Clear? Same in question number 22. Prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. Here in this type of question we get the relation between x, 2x and 3x. We know that 3x is equal to 2x plus x, you know. So apply cot on both sides. So cot 3x is equal to cot 2x plus x. Clear this? Now we know that formula cot 3x is equal to, write same this cot 3x because we want to these terms cot 3x. Cot 2x formula cot 2x cot x minus 1 upon cot 2x plus cot x, you know. Now cot 2x plus cot x, take this side, so cot 3x into this, so we get a cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into these terms, cot 3x into cot x is equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Clear? So minus 1 take this side and these two terms take this side, so we get here cot 2x cot x minus these terms become minus cot 3x cot 2x, this also become minus cot 3x cot x is equal to 1 take this side, so become plus. Hence proof. Clear? Now question number 23. Prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4x. Here taking a tan 4x left hand side, apply formula of tan to theta, so this become tan to 2x, apply formula of tan to theta, 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. Clear? So is equal to, here we want to get all terms into tan x form, so tan 2x also change into tan x form, applying formula for 2 tan 2x, tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x upon, same for this, 1 minus tan 2x raised to 2, so 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x raised to 2. Clear? Now simplify this. Here we get 2 into 2 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x Here 1 minus tan square x raised to 2 take LCM. So here we get 1 minus tan square x, that is 1 minus 2 tan square x plus square of these terms tan 4x minus 2 tan x raised to 2 become 4 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. Clear this? And in a numerator write LCM of this term 1 minus tan square x raised to 2, 1 minus tan square x raised to 2, so is equal to here 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x, 1 from this cancel, we get 1 minus tan square x upon, simplify this, 1 2 tan square minus 4 tan square becomes minus 6 tan square x plus 4 tan square x. Clear this? Hence this is a right hand side. Clear? Now question number 24. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Here cos 4x is equal to, change into sin form, cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square half of this, that is a 2x, so is equal to, now sin 2x is equal to, we know that 2 here 2 sin x into cos x raised to 2, so is equal to 1 minus 2 square is a 4 into 2 become 8 sin square x into cos square x. Clear? Hence proof. Similarly, in a question number 25, prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos x raised to 6 minus 48 cos x raised to 4 plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Here cos 6x is equal to cos 3x into 2x, that is 2 into 3x. Clear? And cos 2 into 3x, apply formula cos 2 theta into cos form, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this become 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Now cos 3x change into cos form, so 2 cos 3x is equal to, you know that 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x raised to 2 minus 1. Now split this and get answer after simplification. Clear? Just complete yourself. Next topic we discuss in a next lecture. Okay.